Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download StarMaker in laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download StarMaker on laptop or PC, what you can do is use an ANDRIOD, as there isn't a specific that is dedicated for the Windows or for your laptop. So what you can do is use an Android. To do it, simply head over to your browser, and then you can use Android emulators like BlueStacks or Google Player, and all you gotta do now is, after downloading, simply install the app. And once you install the app, all you gotta do is open it and launch the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar, simply search for StarMaker, and then once you have found the app, tap on it and then tap on the install it option, and once downloaded, simply tap on open to launch the StarMaker app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.